Stop using ring lights. If you want your videos to look like a professional studio, you need a cob light. And this is the 150 watt HIFFIN setup. And today we're going to see if it's the best value for your money. Let's see what you actually get in the box. First, the 150P itself. It's surprisingly compact for 150 watt. You get the 18cm reflector, the infrared remote, and a beefy power cable. Next, the Softbox. This is the umbrella style 65cm octagon, and it feels much sturdier than this generic one. First impression: the light has a solid mounting bracket, and the Bowen's mount is metal, not plastic, which is huge for longevity. The stand is a 9 feet spring-cushioned version, way better than the flimsy 7 feet stands in most kits. Spec-wise, we are looking at a bi-color range from 3200K to 5600K with a CRI of 97 plus. Your colors aren't going to look washed out. This is vital for those product shots. Setting this up is where the HIFFIN wins. Look at this softbox, no rods, no fuss. You just push the center ring and it's locked. It's perfect for Sinpact because I can set up, turn, and tear down in minutes. Now for the light test. I'm using a standard ring light with an HIFFIN HF550 RGB light. Right? Now let's add the softbox. Look at the wraparound light. Plus, the fan is whisper quiet even after 20 minutes. The verdict? For under 10K, you're getting a professional grade engine for your studio. Just watch out for the remote. It's plastic and it feels a bit light, so don't drop it. Otherwise, this is Sinpact, and I'll see you in the next review.